Images of the Dutch royals watching a swimming event at the Olympics on Sunday show the normally composed Queen Máxima appear irritated. The source of the 53-year-old's ire seems to be her daughter, Princess Alexia of the Netherlands, 19, openly chewing gum while absorbed in the 100-meter breaststroke final. A photo of the teenager, the second of the three daughters Máxima shares with her husband King Willem-Alexander, shows her tongue poking out of her mouth, with gum clearly visible. Meanwhile, a couple of seats away, the Queen can be seen watching the royal youngster, appearing to have an expression of annoyance on her face. She was also accompanied by her daughter Catharina Amalia, Princess of Orange, 20, as well as King Willem-Alexander. Their youngest daughter, 17-year-old Princess Ariane, did not appear to have undertaken the engagement. While her expression seemed annoyed, the rest of the royals' look was impeccable as always, as the Queen donned a statement print dress featuring a slew of bright colors. Their appearance at the swimming is not the only event the Dutch royals have attended. Queen Máxima and her husband King Willem-Alexander, 57, watched their country compete in the mountain bike cross-country finals on Sunday. The royal couple were accompanied by their daughters Catharina Amalia, Princess of Orange, 20, and Princess Alexia of the Netherlands, 19. The Dutch racer, Pieters Puck, came in fourth place with a time of 1 hour 29 minutes and 25 seconds, losing out by just minutes to the USA, Sweden, and France, who took gold with Ferrand Prevet Pauline. Watching from the sidelines, Máxima donned a stunning floral dress to complement the generously bright and sunny weather. It comes after King Willem-Alexander was photographed enjoying an animated conversation on Saturday, as the members of the Dutch royal family visited the athletes' villages on day one of the Olympic Games. Also visiting the athletes' village was the Prime Minister of the Netherlands, Dick Schoof. A post shared on Friday on the royal family's Instagram account wished the athletes luck, while sharing some of the family's plans. It said, "Best of luck to all of the Olympians in Team NL. Your hard work, dedication, and passion have brought you here. Enjoy the Games to the fullest and make the Netherlands proud. We're looking forward to exciting matches and special sporting performances in Paris." The upbeat message was signed off by King Willem-Alexander and Queen Máxima themselves. A further caption on the post added, "The King, Queen Máxima, the Princess of Orange, Princess Alexia and the Prime Minister are in Paris at the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games." The royal couple and their two daughters are still at the Olympics until July 30th. King Willem-Alexander is an honorary member of the International Olympic Committee. A second post, shared earlier on Saturday, revealed more about the royal visit to Paris. It wrote, "From July 26 to August 11, more than 10,000 athletes will come to Paris for the largest sporting event in the world, the Olympic Games." The King, Queen Máxima, the Princess of Orange, Princess Alexia and the Prime Minister will visit the Olympic Village where many of the athletes are residing.